The second part of it is removing danger or removing threat. And so that's finding the vertebral subluxation and making sure that it's the correct, like it is the one that's subluxated. And so it is super important that we find the correct alignment, the correct listening, and the correct line of drive. And so the line of drive, especially if you're doing any kind of manual or even drops, we want to make sure that that line of drive is anatomically aligned with what's going on in that system. Because when we're removing that threat cue, if they have the safety sandwich set up at the front end and we have a nice crisp thrust or a nice force application that is going to be interpreted by the nervous system as a constructive force, um, that's the main thing. That's the subluxation, removing the subluxation, getting that force application to remove the danger cue to the nervous system where we have a subluxation or misalignment or dysfunction. Like the funny thing about this is it doesn't matter if you're on the vitalistic end of it or you're on the mechanistic, like joint lesion restriction. It's exactly the same thing because as we get proper movement in the spine, that is going to be a signal of safety and a removal of a danger cue to our neuroceptive surveillance system to be able to allow our whole nervous system globally to get more into a regulated state. So that's the removing danger.